to create professional logo designs for free is a Wix Logo Maker. It requires no investment and it pretty much works for almost every country around the world. All you have to do is click Start Now, then click Create a Logo yourself unless you want to spend some money to get it done for you. After that, you will need to sign up by entering some info about yourself or by connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is of course a lot faster because it requires just one click of a button. Once you sign up free of charge, you will enter your channel name in this box, and optionally you would add some tagline if you have one. If not, just leave that blank. I'll just type in Finance Pro for the channel name and I will click Let's Go. It will then ask you what's your logo for. You can enter your niche. I'll type, for instance, finance. Then it will ask you about the logo type. I will say, for instance, modern and formal. And then you can choose from different styles, pick which ones you like more, first or the second one, again, first or the second one. Do it for 5 times to give them a clear picture of what exactly you are looking for. So either select the first one or the second one, which one you like the best. After that, it will ask you where you will be using this logo. Just click social media and you're basically ready to go. Now you can wait for a couple of seconds and Wix will create loads of personalized logos which you can use for your channel. And you can see that all of these look pretty professional, and even if you don't like some of these, you can fully customize it. You can change the colors, you can change the size, you can change fonts, and much more. You can play around with different designs until you have something that you really like. If you like it, just take a screenshot of it and you're ready to use it. You can take a screenshot by, for example, opening some of the free tools like Snipping Tool, and that's it. Now, this is of course not the only way to get a professional logo done. You can use other free websites as well. For example, freelogodesign.org is also a great one, or you can even hire